What's going on, guys? Jake Dalton here, Kaged Muscle Athlete. We're gonna take you through a back workout today at the gym. We just got here, so we're gonna get rolling. We're gonna start with barbell rows. We're gonna do some drop sets. We're gonna have 4 plates on each side. Obviously not 45s, that would get pretty heavy, but we're gonna start, I did 10s, you could do 25s, you could do 5s, whatever, just, you know, whatever weight you wanna do. Basically, I wanna just do a drop set, a whole cycle of drop sets. So if you start with 4 plates, do a set of 10 reps. We're gonna do drop 1 on each side, 10 reps, drop 1 on each side, all the way down to 1 plate. So it's gonna be a pretty long drop set. We're gonna go through this 3 times also. So we're starting off with a pretty intense drop set with this barbell row. So once you finish the barbell rows, we're gonna move over and do more of a kind of a static strength. We're gonna do pull-ups, but we're gonna do pause reps. So you're gonna pull all the way to the top, you're gonna pause at the top and slowly go back down. We're gonna do as many sets as you can. So I did about 4 sets and as many reps as you can, and do 4 sets. So if you wanna do 10 reps, that's great. Do 10 reps of pause rep pull-ups and do 4 sets of those. If you can only make 8 or 5 or whatever your number is, that's fine, but make sure you do 4 sets. Next, we're gonna go to machine rows, and my grip is gonna basically be an under grip and really allow me to pull and kind of contract in the back, really tightening my whole entire back. And we're gonna do drop sets on this as well. We're gonna do 4 sets of a drop set. So it's gonna be each one, you're gonna drop down the weight, do another set, and rest about 30 to 45 seconds in between each of the sets. Lastly, we're gonna finish with some deadlifts. I feel like this is a good lift, good exercise to do at the end. You could either put a lot of weight on and really just kind of smash it out, or you could put a medium amount of weight on and do a few more sets. But today we're gonna do 4 sets of 5 reps, so whatever weight works for you. And for me, I'm gonna have a run later today, so I didn't want to go too crazy and heavy in weight. So depending on what your day looks like, you can kind of plan for that. So I planned on kind of a smaller to medium heavy weight and doing 4 sets of 5 reps with the deadlift. So I really like this to kind of end my workout. It's kind of, more of a full body exercise than everything else, still getting your back obviously, but you're still working some of your legs, your grip strength and everything like that. So it's a really good exercise to end on for me. So I hope you guys enjoy this workout. Let me know how you guys like it. Comment down below if you guys enjoy it, and we will see you guys in the next one.